A huge thank you to celebrity influencer Gabi Demartino for this unexpected vlog of her experience using our Dream Love 1000 attraction perfume from England.
So last year I came across the weirdest description for a perfume on Amazon. This is the perfume. It's called Dream Love 1000. The bottle says Attractor Man. All the reviews were like incredible, and it was described to be concocted of elements that help you attract people up to 6.5 feet away, particularly 2 meters. It was so specific. It was advertising make him love you forever, get your ex back with this. So I kind of bought it as like a joke and like an experiment for a YouTube video last year. I discovered they have their own website. This is it. Notice how it says the 6.5 feet away. Whatever, the point is they said it's perfect if you're seeking attention or attraction. So I ended up using it for a YouTube video and it went super successful. My fiance or then boyfriend was obsessed with it. But I noticed anytime that I get hit on, like in public, I'm wearing that perfume and they're always like 6 feet away from me. My experiment worked so good that the company discovered my videos. I'll link this in my description if you guys want to try it out.